I've mentioned in conversations the Savannah River site in Aiken, South Carolina, and it crosses the river over onto the other side into Georgia, parts of the complex and the nastiness. So it's hard to tell which side of the river is which if you know a little bit about the history there. There is a large Sierra Club contingent in the state that does try to look after their business. Worth supporting. I've got names and individuals if you would like contacts, but it's better you find them. So the plan is, after President Obama's administration pulled 30 plus tons of plutonium waste to the Aiken, South Carolina nuclear waste storage site, one of two in the country, two majors in the country. Well, more than that. But the historical sites are Savannah River, which goes unchecked and unnoticed and well funded. And then there's the Hanford site, which is a research extension, along with a bunch of nuclear stuff and commercial and corporate stuff and things like the scanners that look at goods that come and go through our ports. Those are made over there, certified over there in that area. So lots of work still going on. Anyway, back to these plutonium pits. Well, see, that's a misnomer. These things aren't pits. That 30 tons is just plutonium stuff. It has enough plutonium to be considered weapons grade, or it has enough plutonium in it to be a severe environmental hazard and risk, which, if released in public, will kill, will maim, and will cause long-term damage. That is the fact of plutonium as a chemical in the environment, no matter which of the plutoniums it is, because of their nature in the periodic table. So the plan is to take this 30 tons of waste of questionable content, and it's a mix of stuff. It's not these perfect little pristine balls that people refer to. It is drums of hazardous waste. It is tailings. It is dust. It is rocks. Well, the plan is to dilute that high-level waste into low-level waste. This is part of the conversations about waste storage in New Mexico and Texas, part of the most profitable industry on this sodden planet we're tearing up, we're abusing. So the plan is to take 30 metric tons of plutonium waste and dilute it. Well, what are you going to dilute it with? What's safe with plutonium? It's got to be something dry. So we're talking dry dilutions, not liquid dilutions, most likely. Although, what is the plan? Who knows? So, 30 tons of plutonium waste in South Carolina is going to be diluted times what? What does it take to dilute this plutonium? You have to add, to every 1 pound of plutonium, you add 600 pounds of dirt. I don't know the rate. What is this ratio? So somewhere that 30 tons is going to be multiplied into probably tens of thousands of tons, loaded on rail cars and shipped somewhere. Shipped somewhere, somehow. Probably by rail. Because that is a lot of weight. So where is this discussion? Where is this conversation? Where are the facts of this dilution is the solution to plutonium pollution? Who wishes to live on or near that land? Would grazing your cattle be safe on that land? Would eating the cattle grazed from? Given all the considerations, I'm going to keep this short. The solution is not dilution. We can prove that as well. The solution is to stop now and create a plan. Pieces, lots of pieces.